so excited. Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And Wendy did a really fun thing yesterday when she was in Trader Joe's. She found a ton of things that would make awesome holiday gifts.
Fun is a stretch.
Dude, I want every single one of these. So,
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to me.
You can take whatever you like. I mean, I'm not bringing all this stuff home, so I'm going to leave some of this stuff here for you.
So,
Fair?
Tell me how your Trader Joe's is set up. Are there gift sections or are these just like hidden throughout the store?
No. You walk in and they have a Christmas tree, and then around the Christmas tree, like this is right when you walk in the doors.
Yes.
Around the bottom of the Christmas tree are displays of like gifts.
So yesterday I was in Trader Joe's and I was so laser focused. It was like 1:30 and I had 2 o'clock school pickup and I needed to make 2 stops. And so I was like bing, 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 bing out. So I didn't even notice if mine had stuff. I'm gonna have to pay closer attention because this is good. Can I start with what I can smell?
Sure. This is the Trader Joe's Lush Alternative Bath Fizz.
They smell really good. It looks like they're 4 different
You
scents.
can open them. I'm not giving them to anybody. So.
There's Floral Fantasy, Rejuvenating Rosemary, Sweet Pea Apple, and Rose Petal. They smell, the nice thing is,
wrapped.
yeah, which is good because otherwise you'd have powder all over the inside of your. The Sweet Pea Apple is strong,
They're all really
but the
strong.
Rose Petal, they're not meant to be like in your nose. Like they're supposed to like infuse your bathroom. These are good and they're good size too. How much is a set like this
I don't
cost?
remember.
That's unhelpful.
$6.99.
Whoa, $7 for 4 bath bombs, guys. I would say that's a steal, and these are fun. And stocking stuffers. Would be
Yeah.
good.
Would you be mad at that if somebody brought it as a hostess gift?
No, I would love it. I would love it. Here you go. You can wrap it back up for 2 weeks
I
from
might
now.
just give it to you 2 weeks from now. Exactly. All right. Super random. This is a good stocking stuffer. This is the Trader Joe's Lip Treatment Duo Lip Scrub and Lip Balm Sunscreen. This is, how much are you? $3.99.
Yeah, that's fun. That's another good stocking stuffer.
That's a stocking stuffer. I mean, don't come to my house with some lip duo and think that I'm going to feed you drinks and stuff.
Okay, these are just so cute. I cannot handle them. These macaroon soaps. In a little soap dish in your bathroom. How cute would those be?
Are they actual soaps? Like,
Yes, they're.
I think I picked them up thinking that they were bath bombs, and then I saw the other ones. So,
They are soaps.
yeah.
They're lavender, honey, mint, and raspberry scents. Yeah, and this is the kind of thing like you can unpackage and put like in a soap dish and tie it with a ribbon, and it makes like a really pretty
That
presentation.
is so many good ideas.
I do have good ideas.
That's a really good idea, because I would have just been like, here's your soaps. Like, didn't even think about like a cute little soap dish from like,
yeah, you got to
Whole
take it
Goods
from
or
like
something.
store bought to custom gifting.
yeah, like, what's that show called?
Semi-homemade.
Oh, they smell good. They're
Oh,
less like,
They really
oh,
do.
this is my favorite.
Oh yeah, that's the minty one.
Oh,
Yeah, these would be so cute on just a little home goods soap dish tied up with a ribbon. Done. Hostess gift. Done.
teacher gift done.
Yep.
Look what you
Look, I'm team gift card for teacher
I
gift.
know. I think that's all they want to.
All right. These are so cute. These are the Trader Joe's Spirited Fruit Spreads. There's strawberry. What does this say? I can't read it.
No, I can read it. Strawberry
Marc de Champagne.
Spirited. They have booze in them, I
Apricot
think.
and brandy, fig and port.
Yeah.
Spirited. Now tell them what I told you to do. Again.
She said unwrap these, and then what? Oh, put it with some scone mix, and then make it a little.
Yeah.
I love that idea, and I know like my local grocery store sells like really pretty like bags of scone mix. I mean, Home Goods has them too.
Yeah.
Everywhere has them. I want to see how much these cost, because you could get 3 gifts out of this. $7.99.
$7.99. Now, a few years ago, we did a video on hostess gifts, and Wendy made the suggestion to make like a breakfast basket, so these could also go in there if you're gonna do
Good
a
idea.
breakfast
I
basket.
gotta say, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Trader Joe's Exfoliating Body Scrub Trio. Again, 3 gifts in one, or you could just do them all, but they come in brown sugar, citrus, and green tea scrub. I mean, get a loofah, put this in, And there it goes. And lastly, now these were not under the tree. These were on the candy aisle above the frozen foods.
These are chocolate covered pretzel twists. They have peppermint, diced almonds, and rainbow sprinkles. And I'm excited because 2 of the 4 are dark chocolate.
Oh, yeah,
2 of the 3, excuse me.
How much are these? I don't know. Oh, these are $6.99 too. So a lot of the things are like $7 and under, $8 and under.
You know what you could do with these?
Tell me. Package them up.
Unpackage them, put them on a cute little Christmas platter from Home Goods.
Yeah.
For $5.
Yeah.
Put a little plastic, like, whoosh, tie with a bow.
Yeah.
Great hostess gift.
Or a neighbor gift.
Neighbor gift.
Your
Front office at the school.
yeah, PTA meeting.
They look delicious.
Wow.
But they aren't broken. They're just on top of each other.
I would be really bummed if they were broken. I don't know which one I want.
Well, see, I'm torn because my heart would say sprinkles, but it's the milk chocolate one.
Okay, I'll eat that one.
All right, I'm gonna go peppermint.
Oh, they
Oh,
smell
the dark chocolate smells amazing.
Mmm. Tasty.
Mm-hmm. That is so pepperminty.
Mmm. Mine's kind of
It's
salty.
so good. Oh, mine's not salty.
The pretzel's salty.
The
I mean, it's
pretzel
so good.
is really crunchy. You know how sometimes you run the risk of a stale pretzel?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Lovely gifts. Easily found at Trader Joe's with a tiny little bit of love. Unpackage them, make them beautiful. Guys, this is like Trader Joe's plus Home Goods is a match made in heaven here.
I'm gonna stop on my way.
I know, it's right next to my Trader Joe's. Just go from one to the other.
God, you're lucky.
I know. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in for more countdown to Christmas videos. We're going to link that playlist right below. And we will see you in another video very soon.
Bye.